Welcome back to Teshkid FX for another price prediction update, and in this video I'll be giving you a price prediction update on Gala Games, whose current price stands at the $0.0241 mark, and here on TradingView the market is up by 0.29%. and in this video I want to give you the short-term and the long-term scenarios that I'm expecting to play out, basing my analysis on the Elliot structures, the Fibonacci's, and also the key areas of support and resistances. And allow me to kickstart the video here on the daily chart by giving you a brief of what has been happening here on the Gala Games chart. Gala Games, from these low prices that you had been trading within, we saw a very nice impulsive movement taking us to an all-time high at around the $0.85 mark, in a movement that have been terming as a higher Elliot wave count 1 to the upside. And after seeing the all-time high, we have been seeing lower prices in this massive ABC corrective structure, and I believe we have completed the formation of that higher Elliot wave count 2. And right now my primary scenario is that very soon we might see a very nice bounce to the upside in the formation of that wave 3, then expect a wave 4, and then continue pushing even higher in the formation of that wave 5. And getting a little bit into the details of the formation of this Elliot wave structure and give you a measure from the all-time high. From the all-time high, you can see that Gala Games is down more than 92%, meaning there are chances that we have seen the low for this higher Elliot wave count 2. And very soon I'm expecting a very nice bounce to the upside in the formation of this higher Elliot wave count 3, and sketching out a minimum target area to the upside in the formation of that wave 3 using a trend-based Fibonacci, connecting it from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, then dragging the fibs to the low of the second wave. That gives me a minimum target area to the upside in the formation of that wave 3 at the fib level 1.618, and that is at around the $1.36 mark, and then expect a wave 4 and then continue pushing even higher in the formation of that wave 5 to the upside. And that is my long-term scenario that I'm expecting to play out here on the Gala Games chart. And that doesn't mean that there is no room for us to make a new low here on the Gala Games chart. New lows will still be supported, and we need to be prepared for such scenarios. And jumping to the 4-hour chart for further analysis. Here on the 4-hour chart, you can see that after making our low down here, we have been seeing a very nice consolidation, and in that consolidation we have seen a breakout out of a chart pattern that is in formation right here, which has also given us a new low. And if I have my chart pattern on the charts, I can connect these lows to have my channel right here. Then we can have the tops of that is the upper side of the channel. Then I can extend the channel to start from that point, and you can see that we have this ascending channel that Gala Games has been trading within, and this channel has been well obeyed, having more than 3 touch points. And we saw a breakout out of the channel to the lower side, and after seeing the breakout, you can see we have even seen a retest of the lower side of the channel. And after the retest, we have continued pushing even lower and made a new low at around the $0.02355 mark, which is a new low given the low that we initially had over here. And this is what is going to give me the short-term scenarios that I'm expecting to play out here on the Gala Games chart. There are chances that Gala Games might continue pushing even lower, and that is after seeing the breakout out of the channel to the lower side and even seeing a retest of the lower side of the channel. There are chances that we might continue pushing even lower and make a new low here on the Gala Games chart. That is the first possible scenario. The other possible move that we can expect to play out here on the Gala Games chart is that in case Gala Games continues to see an increase in the buying momentum, there are chances that we might see a bit of a recovery, manage to break above the 20-day MA. Once we manage to break above the 20-day MA, then we'll find support and continue pushing higher, get back into the channel once more. And once that happens, then we can get back to the upper side of the channel and maybe see a breakout out of the channel to the upper side. And once that happens, then we can continue pushing even higher in case there is that buying momentum to help the market continue pushing higher. So in case that doesn't happen and we don't see an increase in the buying momentum, then I'm expecting even lower prices here on the Gala Games chart and make a new low. And I'll be watching the key area of support at around the $0.02 mark. That is a very significant key area of support. In case we lose that support line, then there are chances of the worst case scenario for Gala Games to play out, and that is my short-term scenario. And also taking a look at the indicators here on the RSI. On the RSI, we are trading at around the 38 mark, meaning we have massive room for us to support any movements to the upside and also to the lower side before we get into the oversold region. Also taking a look at the MACD. On the MACD, we have printed a bearish cross, and we are also seeing a bit of a decrease in the selling momentum. That means soon we might be able to print a bullish cross and maybe support higher prices on the Gala Games chart. So that's the update, and I'll keep you updated on anything that plays out.